Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I will discuss you selfing and crossing technique in maize plant. First of all, I will discuss you selfing technique. We know that this is a maize plant, and maize plant, its scientific name is Z maize, and it is a kharif crop. It is a monoecious plant. Monoecious plants are those plants in which male and female part are present on the same plant, but in different location. As we know that its tassels are male part, and this is a cob, that is a female plant, but they are located in same plant but in different location. Tassels are upper side of plant and cob on the lower side of plant. Usually male plant occur in cross pollination. We change in self pollination. Self pollination, this is cob. Before the developing of ear and with the emergence of silk, we will cover with butter paper and also tassels with our staminate. It's a staminate and it's also covered with butter paper. And first of all, we cover with the butter paper tassels. Stapler. Before the emergence of silk, we left it for 12 to 24 hours, shaping the tassels, and pistillate will be on the butter paper, and remove the butter paper on the cob. Use tassel paper on the butter paper and also cover on the same with the cob. And proper tagging cross sign indicate the self pollination. The process, that is cross pollination, change to self pollination. Now I will discuss crossing over. So let's suppose there are two plants. One is A and other is B plant. This plant, that is cob, and tassels will be removed. That is this tassels removed. This is only female part of plant. Cover the plant with butter paper and use the stapler. This plant only has cob, not tassels are present on the upper side of plant. And the other one plant, that is B plant, and this is a male part of plant. And this same that will be covered with the butter paper. So this is B plant, that is female part of plant, only present the cob but tassels are removed. And the other one is male part, that is tassels are present and it's a male part, that is A. So proper tagging, that is A cross B, male and female part will be crossed. It should left behind when we harvest the crop.
Thanks for watching.